It is in this table that we will assign the components and the ICs. For loading the passive components, we will be using the eco feeders, and for the ICs, IC trays are used. In the table, the first 14 numbers are dedicated for the eco feeders. Load all the eco feeders with the components tape which you wish to assemble. To load the eco feeders in the feeder tray, first hold the feeder in this orientation as shown. Rotate the slotted wheel here to tighten the tape. Place the feeder in the slots on the tray as shown. Tighten the screw to hold the feeder tightly. Continue the same for the remaining feeders. Now in the feeder management table, assign the first row, with the feeder loaded in the first slot. Right-click or double-click the row you want to assign, click Select Feeder for 1. You can now see a window in the right side, with the parameters, to search the value of the component. Any of the parameters can be used to search for component part numbers, in the machine database. If you want to restrict the search to CPF for the current PCB, select the option Restrict to PCB part numbers. Now search, and the component will appear in the table below. Select the correct value, verify the orientation of the component in the feeder, click OK to assign the part number to the feeder. Now the first row is assigned with the component value, which we loaded in the first slot. Repeat the same for the remaining feeders, to assign its respective part numbers. Remember, we have to assign the components in the same order that we placed it in the feeder tray slots.